Want to keep your car safe and capture every moment on the road? In this video, we're counting down the 5 best dash cams that every driver should consider. From sharp 4K video to advanced safety features, these dash cams offer more than just recording. They provide peace of mind. No matter your driving style or budget, you'll find the perfect fit here. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. DDPAI N1 Dash Cam. The DDPAI N1 Dash Cam is a smart choice for drivers seeking full road protection. With both front and rear cameras, it records in sharp 1296p resolution using advanced night VS technology. Even in low light, details stay clear and visible. Its wide 140 degrees viewing angle and f1.8 aperture ensure broader coverage and brighter footage. The camera runs on corded electric power, meaning no charging hassle. Plus, it supports loop cycle recording, so important clips are never lost. Control is simple through the DDPAI mobile app. While there's no built-in screen, app connectivity makes playback and settings adjustments easy. It also supports up to 256 gigabytes of external storage, perfect for long trips. Built with a SigmaStar chipset and GC4653 sensor, this portable dash cam delivers reliable performance. For safety, clarity, and ease of use, the N1 Dual stands out on every drive. Number 4. BEPOCAM ZD63 Camera Dash Cam. The BEPOCAM ZD63 Camera Dash Cam offers complete coverage for your vehicle. With a front-facing 2.5K camera plus 1080p in-car and rear cameras, it records every angle in sharp detail. Whether on the road or parked, it keeps you protected. Night driving? No problem. The built-in infrared night vision ensures clear footage even in low light. Every scene is captured with precision, making it ideal for nighttime commutes. Thanks to loop recording and a built-in G sensor, vital footage is automatically saved during sudden impacts. You never have to worry about running out of space or losing key moments. For extra security, the 24-hour parking monitor keeps watch while you're away. Just connect it to a hardwire kit, and it's always on guard. With support for up to 256 gigabytes of storage, the ZD60 is a powerful and reliable dash cam solution. Number 3. ANSVICAM 4K UHD Dash Cam. The ANSVICAM 4K UHD Dash Cam is a full-featured car DVR built for complete road safety. With 3 cameras front in 4K, in both rear and inside in 1080p, it records every angle in crisp detail. It offers a wide 170 degrees field of view, capturing more of the road and surroundings. The f1.8 aperture combined with night vision ensures clear footage, even in low light or at night. With built-in GPS, drivers get real-time location tracking. Wi-Fi support makes video transfer simple and fast. Plus, the 3.16-inch LCD screen allows for easy viewing and control on the go. The dash cam includes loop recording and a G sensor to lock vital footage during impacts. It also supports 24-hour parking monitoring, keeping your vehicle safe when unattended. Compact, smart, and reliable, ANSVICAM brings peace of mind to every drive. Number 2. BEPOCAM ZD80 Dash Cam. The BEPOCAM ZD80 is a powerful 3-lens dash cam that delivers crystal clear 4K footage from the front and full HD from both the inside and rear. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, its f1.6 aperture and night shot function ensure sharp, vivid video. With built-in GPS, the ZD80 logs speed and coordinates accurately. It also supports 5G Wi-Fi for fast app control via WITCAM, making footage review and downloads a breeze. No more delays or messy cables. This dash cam offers reliable 24-hour parking monitoring and uses a supercapacitor for stable power, even in extreme temperatures. Plus, it features motion detection and loop recording to keep all important moments safe. Supporting up to 512 gigabyte storage, you'll never worry about running out of space. With a wide 170 degrees view angle, BEPOCAM ZD80 captures every detail front, rear, and in-car for total driving peace of mind. Number 1. KAWA D8 Dash Cam. The KAWA D8 Dash Cam is a powerful solution. It records in 4K at the front and 1080p at the rear, capturing every detail on the road. Equipped with the Sony IMX415 sensor and H.265 video encoding, the image quality is sharp even at night. Plus, it supports voice control, so drivers stay hands-free and focused. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi bring added convenience. Users can track routes or connect through the KAWA Auto app for instant playback and sharing. The loop cycle recording ensures no moment is missed. It also features 24-hour parking monitoring for round-the-clock security. The dual-lens system, paired with a 256 GB memory capacity, makes it ideal for daily drivers and rideshare users. Reliable and easy to install, the KAWA D8 combines safety, clarity, and smart features in one sleek device.